Hi students, Logan Phillips here, Professor P. All right, in this video we're going to talk about your Begin Here course introduction section on your Blackboard website. Now this section is the same for every single course I teach in every single section of every single course I teach. So to start here, we're going to begin here. You're going to watch this video first, which is underneath your Start Here module introduction. Hopefully you made that nice little connection. After that, you're going to read from the top to bottom. What this is your course guidelines, expectations, rules, and procedures, how this class actually functions, the things that you need to know. So as you read through here, know that your syllabus and other course documents are important. That gives you your basic information about the class. Your course sticky note gives you your basic information about when due dates and assignments happen, as well as your late assignment requirements. And then the Start Here is everything from what required software you have to how you withdraw from the course, what happens on a course display or disputes and grades. This is the actual functioning body of your courseware, and you will be held accountable for each of these sections that you've read them, looked at them, watched them, because at the end of it, you're going to do a discussion board and a course introduction quiz. So once you've watched all these videos, read through all the materials, you come down here, you will do your course introduction quiz, and then you will introduce yourself to your fellow students. Now the course introduction quiz is very simple to accomplish. You go in, you open it up, you click start, and you have 3 attempts on it. Answer the questions, easy peasy. The course discussion board, you come in here, you start your discussion board at the bottom, and you post your response, and it has a grading criteria, which includes a picture of yourself, background, who you are, reasons for taking the course, degree enrolled, education or course goals, and something unique about yourself. So that will all be found here, including the grade that you earn on this once it's opened up. Now they have changed our style of Blackboard here recently, and I'm sure they'll change it again. But you do have here on the left-hand side an outline for the entire module, so you don't have to close, open up, go back in, that kind of fun stuff. Once you start it up, you're going to see that you get these little half check marks. If you want them to be green, all you have to do is click on it and then check mark it, and shows that you are tracking your own progress through these things. The system does not do this for you itself. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but if you want the green check marks, just check mark them yourself. So you're going to walk through this section. Each section has a short video about it, a little bit of information. At the end, you will take your course quiz and your course discussion board introduction. All right, guys, have any questions, comments, concern about the Start Here, let me know, but understand that the Start Here is your course function, your syllabus is your course outline, its basics, and your course sticky post is your assignment outline and due dates. Have a very fruitful day. Bye, guys.